I just bought a new coffee maker, and I've only had it a week, but I really like this coffee maker. Really simple to operate. And it's called FARBERWARE. Single serve. I got it at Walmart. And once it makes your coffee, it shuts itself off, done and over with, no wasting electricity. But I looked at the reviews, and most of them are good, but the ones that are bad all say the same thing, that the coffee's not hot enough. Well, I'm fixing to use my little temperature gauge here and see just how hot it is. Because I don't have a problem. I mean, it's too hot to drink right away, that's for sure. So, yeah, I got my cream and sugar in there already. Don't look in there. So I'll use a little extra sugar, okay? I'm gonna let that fill up, and then we'll be right back. As soon as it fills up, I'm going to hit that with the temperature doohickey. Alright, it's done. I don't know how hot you want your coffee, but it's hot enough for me. It's too hot to drink. You can't drink it right away, so that's, hot coffee. But anyway, that's not what the video is about. I really like this thing. It's very simple. Nothing to break. And I stopped drinking coffee for a little while. Now, it also comes with this little basket here. You take this out, you put that in, and you can brew your own coffee without using one of them, these here pods. And I just like the convenience of the pods, so I'm all about convenience. You know I can't afford to burn any extra calories. Okay. So, FARBERWARE. And I'll put a Walmart link down here if you're interested. No, I don't get anything from it. It's just a good coffee pot. Very simple. I'm sick to death of my Keurig coffee makers breaking on me. You wouldn't believe how many of them stupid Keurig coffee makers we went through before we said, you know what? No more Keurigs. It seemed like we'd get 8 months to a year out of one, and we'd have to replace it. Yeah, no more Keurig coffee makers. And I'll let you know, granted, I've only had this a week, but I like the simplicity of it. There is one, if there was a drawback, it would be that this, basically it holds 1 cup of coffee. I mean, a cup that size. Holds about 20, maybe 24 ounces of water. So if you make a 14-ounce cup of coffee, you're going to have to refill it if you want to make another 14-ounce cup of coffee. And that would be the only drawback so far. I like the fact that you press a button to whatever. If you want to use grounds, use this. If you're using the pods, you use that. And this cup is a very big cup, and that's 12 ounces right there. I tried 16 and it overflowed. I thought this was a 16-ounce cup. Oh, and that's another thing. This Yeti cup, it was pricey. But it is the best cup I've ever had, and it's held this temperature for longer than any cup I've ever owned before. I'm almost ashamed to say it. It was $24 at Ace Hardware, but the only reason I got it is because I had a $7 off birthday coupon, and I used that, or else I'd have never spent that much on a cup. Thanks for watching, y'all.